Are you still settling for near zero returns on your savings? If you're keeping your emergency fund or long-term cash in a traditional bank account, you're essentially leaving money on the table. But the savvy saver knows that 2025 is the year of bread savings. We're seeing a massive wave of people switching, and it's not hard to see why. Today, we're breaking down the key reasons why people are switching to bread savings in 2025 and how this shift could redefine your financial future. So, what's driving this major move? It boils down to three core factors: high APYs, transparent fees, and a rock-solid, secure digital platform. First, let's talk annual percentage yield, or APY. In a financial climate where every dollar counts, Bread Savings is consistently offering highly competitive rates on both their high-yield savings accounts and their certificates of deposit. Unlike many legacy banks where your money earns fractions of a percent, Bread is designed to help you accelerate your earnings. Think about it. A small difference in APY, compounded daily, can translate into hundreds or even thousands of extra dollars over a few years. For savers looking to maximize their returns, that difference is a game changer, especially as interest rates on many other products start to cool down. Second, the no-nonsense fee structure. Nothing is more frustrating than seeing your hard-earned interest eaten away by surprise monthly service fees or hidden charges. Bread Savings has built its reputation on transparency. They offer high-yield savings accounts with no monthly maintenance fees. This simple commitment means more of your money stays where it belongs, in your account, compounding interest. While there are minimal fees for specific services like outgoing wire transfers or requesting a paper statement, the basic day-to-day services are free, making it a truly cost-effective place to grow your savings. And finally, the security and accessibility of their digital platform. Bread Savings, a product of Bread Financial, is an established online bank. They offer the peace of mind of FDIC insurance up to the legal limit, just like a traditional bank, but with the convenience of a modern digital experience. Their user-friendly mobile app allows you to manage your accounts, view transactions, and even make mobile check deposits quickly and securely. You can set up automatic transfers and manage your funds effortlessly, making saving a seamless part of your financial routine, not a chore. This blend of competitive rates, low fees, and strong security in a highly accessible digital environment is the trifecta that's appealing to the modern consumer. Whether you're opening a high-yield savings account for your emergency fund or locking in a great fixed rate with a certificate of deposit for a long-term goal, Bread Savings is empowering people to get more from their money in 2025. It's a smart, simple switch that is already paying off for thousands of people across the country. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.